This is the most feared aerial predator. Eagles is a member of the Accipitridae family and is known as a bird of prey in the sky. They have keen eyesight, being able to see prey from a great distance. Large and sturdy wings help the eagle fly quickly and fly in the sky. They also use their strong talons to catch and carry prey. Eagles usually live in high places, such as cliff tops or tall trees. They make large nests out of twigs and other natural materials to protect their young. Most types of eagles are very intelligent predators. They eat a wide variety of prey, such as mice, fish, and even other small birds. Great predatory eagles, they can snatch their prey very quickly. Some species of eagle even have the ability to catch fish from the surface of the water.